Oh my gosh, look how much hair came out already, you guys. So much shedded hair came out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. I had just taken those feed-in braids out. The last time I washed my hair was after I did that milk bath photo shoot. I had just washed my hair like right after I did that video. So that was like what, 2-3 weeks ago. So y'all, this is what my hair is looking like right now. Yeah, so my hair is really dry, but it's oily because like I didn't like when I put this when I did my feed-in braids. If you guys seen that video, I put like gel on my hair, so like that gel is like really oily right now. And so, but it is dry, it just seems moisturized because of the oil. Yeah, that's a little tip. If your hair is oily, like oily and moisturized are two different things. Like your hair can be dry, but it just appears to be moisturized because of the oil. If that makes sense. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I restore my hair back to health when it's been like 2-3 weeks since I washed it. So let's get into the video. And then I'm going to brush that out. Oh my gosh, look how much hair came out already, you guys. So much shedded hair came out. I'm gonna clip my ends, not today, but I'm gonna clip my ends soon. I'm probably gonna do a video on it. Oh, and I'm taking this 3-minute Miracle Moist, and I'm gonna use this as my pre-poo actually. So yeah, I'm basically just going to like moisturize my hair for my pre-poo. Cause once I do this because once I like end up shampooing my hair, I'm gonna use like a really strong cleanser, just because it's been 2 weeks and my scalp is really dirty. So I want to use a really strong cleanser that's probably gonna strip my hair. So I just want that extra layer of moisture. And that's why I'm pre-pooing. So yeah, I'm just putting that on here and then I'm just twisting it up like a regular twist out, except these are much bigger. So. And then I'm also gonna wash my hair in twists because that's what I like to do. It's easier for me. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this all over my head, then I'll come back when I'm ready to wash my hair. Alright, so I finished pre-pooling my hair. And so this is how much what is this called, like shedding I got. It's like that much shedding, which is fine for like 2 weeks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair with this African black soap. I'll insert that video in the cards so you guys could see. I mean, it's not high quality, but it's still a good video, so I haven't deleted it yet. So go ahead and check that video out after this one. And I'm just gonna wash it in twists like this, and then I'll be back. All right, my hair is freshly washed. The African black soap is such a good shampoo. I use that shampoo probably more than like I use my real shampoos. I'm gonna use this to deep condition my hair. And this is really moisturizing, so whenever you need to like bring that moisture back to your hair, this is good. So now I'm putting this, clear bag on to trap in the heats. Deep conditioners, you're really supposed to leave them on for like no more than half an hour, but I'm lazy, so I'm probably gonna leave it on for like a couple hours until I feel like washing it out. My hair, you guys, so I thought my camera was filming, but apparently this whole time it wasn't filming. Just relax. But basically I was just saying that, I just rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair. My hair is nice and moisturized. It's much better than how we started, so I'm very happy. And now I just separated my hair into 4 sections, and I'm gonna start my LCO method now. So I'm going in with this As I Am, it's a leave-in conditioner. And so I'm using that as my leave-in. And that all over. To use cream, I'm just gonna use a butter because I switch out creams and butters. So I'm using this African shea butter. And I like this because, oh my god, this bird won't shut up. This butter is very, 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 very moisturizing, you guys. And it really seals in the moisture from the deep conditioner, as well as like adds its own kind of layer of moisture as well. So I really love putting shea butter in my hair. It could weigh your hair down, like for some looser hair types, or like if your hair isn't as dense as mine, this could definitely potentially weigh your hair down. But I don't mind my hair being weighed down just because right now I'm going for a stretch look, and usually when I want to stretch my hair, I don't mind it being weighed down because I want that, you know, stretched out look. So yeah, I'm just warming it up in my hands till it's like a liquidy substance. And then I'm just gonna, you know, put it all over. And it looks like it's sitting on top of my hair just because of like the consistency of it. But you guys, I swear it's not. Like, it's penetrating into my hair. You just see that it's like a sealant of moisture is what's sitting on top of my hair. But it's actually like penetrating and sitting on top at the same time. Like, oh, I feel like I'm not making sense, but you guys know what I mean. Like, it's moisturizing, it's penetrating my hair, but then it's also sitting on top of my hair because it's adding a moisturizing element to it and then a sealing element to it as well. So it acts as a sealant and moisturizer is basically what I'm trying to say. So yeah, if you see your hair turning white after you put some shea butter on it, don't get scared. It's just sealing in all that moisture. And I have high porosity hair, so I need to seal in moisture. You could probably get away with this without doing an oil, but I'm just gonna put an oil anyways on it. I really like overdo stuff, but I'm just gonna put this sweet avocado oil on it. I just got this from Amazon and I really wanted to try it out. Just a tiny bit, not too much. Just put that all over. Then it says it's moisturizing, so for oils, I don't really like consider them to be moisturizing. I use them as a sealant. But like, since I said the shea butter is technically a sealant, you don't need an oil, but you could put one if you want. And you guys, this video isn't gonna have like a final look to it, just because, I mean, I already have a video on my channel about how I do my stretch styles. So, I mean, yeah, this is basically it. I just moisturize it and yeah, stretch it out. And if you guys want to see how my stretch styles usually come out, I'll go ahead and link the video up here. But I'm just going to end this video here because you already saw what I do to bring my curls back to life. And that's basically what I do. So yeah, I'm just going to do this all over my head and then just leave it for a day so it can stretch out. But yeah, this isn't going to be a final look or anything like that. Like this video, comment on it, and subscribe to my channel. But for now, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love. Bye.